Hello everybody and welcome to this guide here on the A1 Trading Community. If you are new to the group or looking to join the group, this is going to be kind of an overview or a look inside of our group, the A1 Trading Community that myself and my staff operate and manage for traders looking to collaborate, discuss, and learn alongside other traders. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm going to show you guys an inside look of the group, so stay tuned. What we're going to do here is, first of all, welcome. If you're new, thanks so much for being here and joining the community. We are very excited to have you here. I've been running this community for about a year now, and since then have hired an entire staff of people that work very, very hard to make this group the best it can be. So what you're going to see when you first get into this group is you won't see a whole lot. You'll see that you've got some basic instructions to get access. Once you've made your payment to the group on the website, you'll get a code and you'll be able to kind of join down below. Your code will be unique, so this one is not going to work, but once you get a code, you'll be able to enter that and get access to the group right away. So let me go ahead and just give this dummy account permissions and we'll see what it looks like on the other side of this. Okay, so I just added this demo account or this fake account so that this can now see some things here inside of the group. Wait a second, I didn't do that right. Okay, so I've added this account and now we can see a little bit more here on the other side of becoming a member. So this account has now been given permissions and you can see on the left-hand side, you've got all these different things that you get access to once you have been given permissions to your membership. So you'll see this is kind of our icon right here. You got the A1 Trading Community, and again, all the different tabs here full of different information. You've got our community tab, which is full of our chat rooms and stuff like that, and you've got our announcements coming out, shared by myself or members of the team, as well as our rules and disclaimers, of course, and the Getting Started section, which is going to give you kind of a guide as to how to get started. You'll be able to kind of go through some of our rules and disclaimers as well, which is very, very important before you get started. Know that, this is a community that we work very hard to moderate. Things like politics, things like debates, that sort of thing, we try and leave out because this is meant to be a wholesome, community focused on trading and investing only. And that's why our moderators are standing by to try and keep it clean. Unlike all those spammy chat rooms that you see online, we actually work very, very hard and have people who are dedicated to keeping it that way. So let's move on. So what you're going to see is this is the Forex chat room. You've got people in here chatting and sharing ideas. You also have a general chat room, which is more like our off-topic chat room where people are just generally talking about pretty much anything as long as it's within the realm of our rules. You've got people sharing their results, whether it's a win, loss. People just have the capability to, if you want to, share a profit, share a loss, share your results, whatever you want to do there, and you can do it there. You've also got all of our trade alerts. So this is where things come through. We can take a look, for example, as to one of my most recent trades that I've been sharing is a gold trade. I'm currently long on gold. You can see I shared a long idea. This one did not work out, but then I re-entered, and so far things have been going very well with this trade. You can see running in profit there. I've moved stop to break even, all that sort of stuff. And with these trades, I'm giving the full details. I'm giving the full analysis breakdowns because in our community, this is not meant to be a place where you just copy other people and put no effort in. This is a trading community. That's why we have chat rooms and we have training material. We have VIP webinars. We'll get to those things in just a moment. But the idea here is you get access to trades being shared by myself or other top traders who have been vetted with some sort of background check in terms of a verified track record. You can find mine on the website. You can, that's kind of the goal with all of our members or these or staff members. These are experienced traders from around the world helping by sharing their trades with full details for people to see what's going on. Not to be copied. That's not what we're into. We're not about, you buy signals or anything like that. This is a community and the purpose is for educational and informational purposes to kind of get some sort of value out of this. So again, we can go through, we've got everybody's different trades being shared, things, we have winners and losses just like every other trader, but the idea is we share the full breakdowns with every trade as well as our entries, stops, take profits, that sort of thing. So let's move on to the webinars. This is super cool stuff. I'm not going to click this just because there are links there and that's for premium members only. But basically, once you click into this, you'll see things like the different webinars that have been done in the past, or you can join a live webinar. I don't usually do these, but Joe, who is one of our staff members, you can see Joe's trades here. He's an Australian gentleman who is very experienced. He's as a coach and has been working with members inside of our group for a few weeks now. So he's been new to the group and been having some really good responses so far. So definitely hit up his VIP webinars if you have not already. Here's some trade ideas. Now this is something that anybody in our group really can take a look at, or really can attribute to or add to. Anybody who is a veteran member has the ability to share trades or ideas for everybody to see. You can see Bart, he's one of our moderators here, sharing alerts and ideas of kind of concepts that he is on the lookout for. This is a great way for people to collaborate and just share their opinions, their ideas that may or may not play out, and that's kind of what we use the trade ideas tab for. Now finally, you're going to get the education portal. Now this does also have some sensitive stuff for people who are not members, but once you check that out, we'll pop up a video right now of what that kind of looks like. You can see tons of valuable information. We have beginner, intermediate, and advanced concepts that have been put together by our team to hopefully help out people who are looking to learn more. And again, that's kind of what we have. Now, a lot of the stuff that is on there is kind of available to public people on YouTube, but we've gone ahead and put this into a kind of organized portfolio or profile, if you will, so that people can go step by step on concepts that might be helpful then rather than just randomly going through YouTube and clicking videos. This has kind of been consorted into one spot. Now also, with that said, we do have some material in there that is exclusive only to members, trade videos or trading concept videos that I've put together specifically for members. So definitely check that out once you are a member. Now, finally, there are some great ways to also get help if you need to. We do have a moderator team, staff team for a reason. We have a customer support page where you can send a message if you need help with your membership or any sort of questions that you have. You can feel free to anytime send a message to our customer support base, or even send a message to one of our moderators, or maybe me, but I'm a little bit slow to responding to messages because I do get quite a few per day. So that is kind of an overview of what the community looks like. It's nothing super incredible in the sense of you're not going to get some sort of guaranteed overnight riches. That is not what we are about here. We are about the genuine approach to trading, which is taking things slow and steady, putting in the work. And for people out there who are ready to work hard, this is the place to be. 100%, 110%. I believe this is the best place for people out there who love this stuff and really want to put in the effort and meet other people who are doing the same. So I hope that you'll join us if you have not already. And if you are new to the community, welcome and thank you for joining us. I hope to see you or interact with you soon inside of the group. Have a great rest of your day.